Milwaukee Packout is one of the most popular tool storage systems on the market, and when they release new innovations as frequently as they do, it is very clear to see why. Especially with Milwaukee's brand new Packout workshop range. Now obviously if you're out and about and working on site, then you're going to probably have some sort of storage system that is on wheels. Milwaukee Packout have their own wheeled storage system and it is very popular. If you travel with less tools, you may be finding yourself using a tool bag. However, when you get back home, if you have a workshop or a garage or anything like that, then Milwaukee have made your life so much easier. This is because Milwaukee have released some brand new Packout wall mount systems, meaning that you can mount any case, you can take it straight from your toolbox or anything like that and mount it straight onto the wall. And they haven't stopped there, because with a variety of accessories, and to name a few, you've got the likes of pots, you've got hooks, you've also got drill storage units, and all of this means that you can have a nice little tidy workshop, especially if you're a Milwaukee fan. This is going to be nice Milwaukee branded. They've designed all of these things to be as easy to use as possible. All you do is slide them on just like you would a Packout case and turn the switch to lock them into the plate. This is great too, because a lot of these pots and organisers are even able to just store straight into your Packout cases. So you can leave them on the wall, or if you're going to need certain pots, you can store them straight into your case. Milwaukee have also released a brand new Packout cabinet, which is really interesting because it slots on top of your tool case or can even be hung from the clips on the back. So you can open it up from the front, have your tools inside, but you can store it in two different ways. Now, a while ago, Milwaukee introduced the Packout shelves, which are perfect to use if you're storing your Packout cases away in a van. However, these Packout mounting plates can be used exactly in the same way. So wherever your setup needs to be, they've got you covered. It could be in your garage, in a workshop, or out and about in your van. This is even down to the smaller details as well. I mentioned a few examples, but you've even got the likes of battery mounts, but even more so, you've got paper towel dispenser, which is one of my personal favorites, or if you're looking to store broomsticks or anything like that, you've got nice little wall holders. It's now the case that if you're a Milwaukee fan, then you can show it really anywhere you want. You can show it out on site when you're using a Milwaukee tool, or you can even show it in your workshop when you've got your Milwaukee Packout all over the wall. Storage has never been easier if you are a Milwaukee fan, but if you're not, then it's probably still worth giving this a look, because this is some really impressive kit. So no matter the situation, Milwaukee Packout now has you covered in the workshop with the brand new Milwaukee Packout workshop range. It's available now at its.co.uk.